Power MOSFETs are widely available from manufacturers, but their SPICE models are often missing for simulation purposes. With the PSpice modeling application, you can create a Power MOSFET model using parameters straight from the manufacturer's datasheet. To model a Power MOSFET using parameters from the manufacturer's datasheet, open Capture and launch the modeling application from the Place menu. From the panel, navigate and open the modeling app for Power MOSFET. Here, you can see the parameters with description and default values. These parameters map directly to values provided in any MOSFET datasheet. This is the datasheet for a Power MOSFET. Scroll down to locate the various parameters, which directly correspond to the entries in the MOSFET modeling app. We will use the MOSFET model to simulate both the output characteristics and transfer characteristics that are typically illustrated in the datasheet. After entering all the parameter values, click Place to generate the MOSFET model linked to a symbol. Then, position it in the schematic. Let's perform a DC sweep simulation to plot the output characteristics of this MOSFET at various gate voltages. In the simulation settings, set the primary sweep to voltage source V2 to sweep the drain to source voltage. Then, configure a parametric sweep using voltage source V1 to vary the gate to source voltage across the MOSFET. Run the simulation to view the results in the PSpice window. The drain current of the MOSFET is plotted against the drain to source voltage, with different colors representing the various gate voltages. Now, let's switch the simulation profile to simulate the transfer characteristics of the MOSFET. In this profile, set the primary sweep to voltage source V1 to vary the gate to source voltage. Additionally, configure a temperature sweep to run the simulation across different temperatures. Run the simulation to plot the MOSFET drain current for various gate voltages across different temperatures. Now, let's simulate a double pulse test circuit to analyze the switching behavior and power loss of the MOSFET. To achieve this, use the PWL voltage source V3 to supply the gate voltage. This generates pulses, ensuring the MOSFET current during both turn-off and turn-on events reaches approximately 35 amps. The inductor used has the value of 120 microhenries, and the drain to source voltage is set to 480 volts. Run the simulation and zoom into the PSpice plot window section where turn-off and turn-on event occurs. The bottom plot displays the drain to source voltage and the drain current of MOSFET M1. The top plot includes a trace that represents the switching loss, calculated using the integral function. With PSpice, utilize the modeling application to create MOSFET models using parameters directly from the datasheet, allowing you to simulate your circuits seamlessly.